Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here, and nowadays many people are asking for the knot, and in today's video let me show you the knot with our HD lace wig and frontal and closures. And this is a HD lace wig, Remy here, and this is a HD closure. And big knot is becoming a concern right now because previously it's not, because previously it's all knotted, ventilated in Korean, so the knot technology is very mature. But now when Korea closed the border and the knot shifted to China, there are a lot of new laborers, new workers work on the ventilation work, so their knotting technique is not so mature, so it causes a big problem for the ventilation. In previous video I have already showed you and told that we have already a team for ventilation, so big knot is not a problem for our hair, and big knot is also not acceptable for our hair. And you can see the big knot is actually done with a very bad technique. That's why it happens. The big knot may cause the hairline, and it's not realistic when you wear it, and also when you bleach the knot or your daily use, it may also shedding because it's not so securely fastened on the knot. So it's not a problem with us because we never sell that kind of big knot products, and it's all well knotted, well ventilated, and with the best technology. And the hairline is also very realistic, very great hairline, and greatly ventilated. This is our Remy hair wig, body wig, and this is a closure. Thank you for listening to this video, for sharing about that knotting. And if you have any question or you want any type of hair, you can contact us or just do it on our website. Thank you. Have a great day.